Combining lemon juice with olive oil is a simple yet powerful home remedy that has been lauded for its numerous health benefits. This dynamic duo harnesses the individual strengths of both ingredients, offering a range of advantages for overall wellness. Here's an in-depth look at the benefits of consuming lemon juice with olive oil. 1. Digestive health. Lemon juice and olive oil can work wonders for your digestive system. Lemon juice, rich in citric acid, stimulates the production of bile, which aids in digestion and detoxification. Olive oil, on the other hand, acts as a mild laxative, helping to alleviate constipation. Together, they can promote regular bowel movements and improve overall digestive health. 2. Detoxification. The combination of lemon juice and olive oil is often used as a natural detoxifier. Lemon juice has diuretic properties that help flush out toxins from the body, while olive oil supports liver function, which is crucial for detoxification. Regular consumption of this mixture can help cleanse your system, promoting a feeling of lightness and improved energy levels. 3. Cardiovascular health. Olive oil is well known for its heart-healthy properties. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and increase good cholesterol, HDL, levels. Lemon juice, high in vitamin C and antioxidants, can further support heart health by protecting blood vessels and reducing inflammation. Together, they contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system, lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Both lemon juice and olive oil possess anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound that mimics the effects of ibuprofen, reducing inflammation and pain. Lemon juice, with its high vitamin C content, can help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. This combination can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from inflammatory conditions like arthritis. 5. Skin health. The nutrients in lemon juice and olive oil can also benefit your skin. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which help moisturize and protect the skin from damage. Lemon juice, with its high vitamin C content, can promote collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing signs of aging. Applying this mixture topically or consuming it regularly can lead to healthier, glowing skin. 6. Weight management. Incorporating lemon juice and olive oil into your diet can aid in weight management. Lemon juice helps boost metabolism and promotes fat burning, while olive oil provides healthy fats that can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. This combination can support weight loss efforts when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. 7. Immune system support. Lemon juice is a potent source of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for a robust immune system. Regular consumption can help fend off common illnesses like colds and flu. Olive oil's antioxidants further support immune function by combating free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. Together, they provide a natural boost to your immune defenses. How to consume lemon juice and olive oil. To reap the benefits, you can prepare a simple mixture of 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Consume this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning for optimal results. Some people prefer to mix it with a little warm water to make it easier to drink. The combination of lemon juice and olive oil is a powerful and natural way to enhance your overall health. From improving digestion and detoxification to supporting heart health and skin vitality. This simple remedy offers a multitude of benefits. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can take a proactive step towards better health and well-being.